Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about a feature in 3ds Max that will incredibly speed up your modeling workflow. Enable axis constraints. If you use SketchUp, you know how the push-pull tool works. You can just drag a surface and snap it perfectly to the level of another object. Many people think this isn't possible in 3ds Max, but the solution is actually quite simple. By activating axis constraints in your snap settings, you can lock your object to a specific axis and move it precisely to the level of any point in your scene. Let's see how this smart alignment logic works. First, we activate the snap system by clicking the Snaps toggle button at the top of the interface, or simply press S on your keyboard. But just turning on the snap isn't enough. Now, let's go where the magic happens. Right-click on the Snap button, and in the Grid and Snap Settings window that pops up, switch to the Options tab. Here, under the Translation section, check the box that says Enable Axis Constraints. This little checkbox completely changes how 3ds Max handles movement. Now, all you have to do is select the specific axis you want to move. For example, if you are moving a box upward on the z-axis and you hover your mouse over a vertex on another object, your box won't jump to that point. It will only rise to that point's height level. It's just like that comfortable push-pull logic in SketchUp. This way, we stop eyeballing our alignments and start working with millimeter precision in our projects. For more 3D Studio Max tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel, meet with me on the comments and like the video. See you in next tutorial.